Hello everybody. In this video I will show how to represent graph in Java. Graph is a nonlinear data structure. It consists of vertices and edges. Vertices are connected by edge. Graph can be directed or graph can be undirected. In case of the directed node, we can say from one vertex we can go to another vertex. We can immediately see from the direction of the arrow, direction of the edge, from which vertex we can go to which another vertex. I have made a simple figure of a graph. It is representing cities. We can find application graph in our real life: city network, bus network, computer network, petrol pumps network, etc. can be easily represented with a graph. Here in this picture, there are 5 cities: Baneswar, Kotisar, Chavel, etc. Baneswar is connected to Kotisar with this edge and its weight is 3. Baneswar is connected to Chavel, its weight is 5. And we can see other edges. There is an edge from New Road to Kalimati and its weight is 6. Now let's see how to represent this graph in computer using the Java program. First, let's make it simple. Okay, now let's do this slide 1. Then let's write the public static void main method. Okay, now let's define matrix. We will be using 2-dimensional matrix to represent graph. New int. There are 5 nodes, so we will be making 5 by 5 2-dimensional array. Now let's assign values to the matrix. Now here we can see in the picture 0 represents Baneswar, 1 represents Kotisar, and so on. From 0 to 1 there is a distance, so this value 3 or the connection between Baneswar and Kotisar is shown in the matrix like this. In the matrix position 0, 1, we will store value 3. That line represents there is a connection between 0 node and node 1, or vertex 0 and vertex 1, and its distance is 3 units. Now we will represent other distances also. From node 0 we can reach to node 3 and its value is 3. From node 0 we can reach to node 4 and its distance is 5. You can see node 0, node 4, value is 5. So this line will represent this edge or this arc which connects Baneswar and Kotisar. Similarly, we can show other values. Ctrl V. There is a distance between node 1 and node 2 and its value is 6. There is a distance or connection between node 3 and node 2 and the value is 6. Similarly, there is a connection between node 3 and node 1 and its value is 7. And from node 3 we can reach node 4 and its value is 6. And which anything remained? Okay, I think we have assigned all the edges. So in this way we can represent the graph using 2-dimensional matrix. Now let's write a simple for loop which will show what are the successor nodes of first node, node 0. For int I equal to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus, if matrix from the first node to the remaining node, if it is greater than 0, then we can say there is a connection between 0 and the next node, the successor node. System.out.println from 0 to I plus distance is equal to matrix 0 I. Okay, we can write this simple statement to show which are the successor of first node and what is the distance between those first node and the successors. Now let's save this. Okay, it is saved. Okay, I have the name is, I've already saved it, so I have to, the name of class is graph.demo. Now let's execute this. Demo.java. Okay, fine. You can see distance from the first node to the remaining nodes. From 0 node, first node, that is the Baneshwar, we can reach to Koteshwar and its distance is 3. Similarly, from Baneshwar, the 0 node, we can reach node 3, its distance is 3. From Baneshwar, we can reach to Chavai, its distance is 5. In this way, we can use two-dimensional matrix, integer matrix, to represent the graph. Thank you.